In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix language bar missing in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options. Please navigate to time and language and go with typing, which contains a touch keyboard, text suggestion, preferences, and more. Okay, so from here, you need to click on advanced keyboard settings, and in that way, you would be able to bring up this kind of window. There you can see language bar options. Click on it. And the moment you've tapped on it, you would be able to see this one. All you need to do is you need to make sure that this show additional language bar icons in the taskbar is checked. Okay? Once you've checked it, click on OK and go with input language hotkeys. Okay? So here, just select, press the caps lock key and then click on apply and then OK. Once done, you need to check this one. Use the desktop language bar when it's available. Okay? Turn this on. Check this on and then close the window and this language bar would be appearing here. Okay, so you can see this being appearing here where you can select any of this one. You can select English, the country that it is being assigned with, or the English US. Okay, so that's it. Once you're good, you can now close the window and that's it. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.